Laundry. Is there anyone here that actually enjoys doing laundry? Besides the obvious drudgery of it, there's a few other aspects I want to touch upon that are certainly complaint-worthy. The first thing is fitted sheets. They are notoriously difficult to fold properly. I try again and again and never get it right. Me and fabric do not get along. I don't know how the factory does it. I used to fight a losing battle with fitted sheets until I easily solved the problem using this proven technique. Ta-da! Now look at these laundry tags with all these funny little symbols. How do you know what they mean? Well, it must have bothered someone at Apple because look at this. If you have an iPhone with iOS 17 something, you can do this. Take a picture of the tag, then swipe up, and look, it says laundry care. Click it and definitions show up. Now, how good are these symbols? Tumble dry? Okay. Do not dry clean. That looks dumb. This looks better. Ironing? Okay. Washing 30 degrees Celsius? That makes sense. Do not bleach. Who would ever guess that? Or this. This. Bleach with non-chlorine agents? Dumb again. This makes sense. How do you like this one? Must be a bug. Washing normal process, maximum 30 degrees Celsius. I prefer this instead. Or better still. Here's a nice high-tech innovation. It's a new material that changes colors with a remote control. I bought one, and much to my surprise, it works great. Look at this. With just a click, it changes to all these different colors. This is like having 10 shirts in one. Now I can always be perfectly color coordinated. So, when I go out in public, I don't have to worry about looking stupid. The case of the missing sock. It doesn't matter how many pairs of socks you wash, there always seems to be one missing. I had to find out why. So, to help my investigation, I set up this secret hidden camera. And this is what I found. But what happens if you don't end up with one odd sock? Simple. The sock gremlin had stolen 2 socks. This is one chore I can't stand. I'm referring to making the bed. In the morning you spend at least a minute making the bed, which is about 6 hours a year minimum making the bed. In 60 years, that's 360 hours or at least 15 days you've spent making the stupid bed. Then when you're done, the bed sits there all nice and neat all day long for what? So you can go and unmake it again that night. What are your laundry complaints? Put them in the comments. And like and subscribe for more.